Alright, here we go. Winchester Deer Season XP, doing the power test 2.0 with it, shooting into a bag of fine sand, very fine sand, with the board behind it, then the water jug, and then the 1/4 inch boards, and gonna see what it does on the penetration of the 1/4 inch boards. How many it plugs through? Got 10 of them. So there you go.
Alright, trying a different camera angle because of the wind. Hopefully that's helping out if it's a problem. Not sure. What we got going on is the power test with the Winchester XP in 223. That's the second flower. Well, this time it's fine, super fine sand. The thick board, the water jug, and then the 1/4 inch board behind it. And we're going to see how many of those 1/4 inch boards we can go through. This is the power test. Alright, here we go. This is the power test 2.0, 223 Winchester XP. And what we got, we definitely ripped the finely granulated sand. We'll take this up to the table and give a look at it here. We did not have penetration. Went in the water jug, and it did not come out. And we have all, this is what we got left of it.
Alright, here we go. This is the power test 2.0 on the Winchester 223 Deer Season XP. As you know, it did not penetrate out the jug, but we do have a have it going in through the little sandbag. That's the hole. It actually split it in half, but that's the hole coming out right there, and it's actually matching up, lining up quite nicely with the hole right behind it. Just getting all scientific for y'all. There we go. That was useless information, but oh well. But as you see, it went in, boom boom, got stuck in the jug. That's all that's left. The little lid fragments wasn't enough to even mess with, but there you go. Not too bad. Definitely ripped it apart. Gonna try it with flour. Maybe that was a determining factor in this, because I figured with this bullet with the feet per second that it was going the speed that it would have actually at least punched hit a couple of these, and it sure didn't. So there you go. Thanks for watching.